One of America's premier protected regulation specialists proposed Donald Trump's past events are coming to fruition after a sensation report by The Washington Post after the paper got a May 2021 email from the National Archives and Records Administration, NARA, that 20 boxes of official reports were absent. It is likewise our comprehension that about 24 boxes of unique official records were kept in the residence of the White House throughout President Trump's last year in office and have not been moved to NARA, regardless of an assurance by Pat Cipollone in the last days of the organization that they should be, compassed Gary Stern, NARA's central direction. For examination, CNN anchor Kate Bolduan talked with Lawrence Tribe, who educated at Harvard Law for 50 years and has contended 36 cases before the U.S. High Court. Klan noted it was the assurance by White House counsel Pat Cipollone that the reports didn't have a place with the president, they needed to go to the documents. That assurance was conveyed to the president through Mark Meadows that set the president straight that these significant archives, some of which ended up having been confidential as well as highly classified, all ultra top secret, that expected to go to the public authority. Might it be said that they were, on the grounds that they had been in the White House home for some time and presently at a hotel that had been entered by Chinese covert operatives, would they say they were in the possession of foes of the United States? What was it that we want to do to shield ourselves from their possible delivery? This involved dire significance to the public safety and any case by the president that, all things considered, I didn't have a clue about, that these didn't have a place with me, that is hogwash, Tribe said. He knew. He was cautioned. Furthermore, any case that the pursuit was some abrupt shock has recently vacated the premises, Tribe added. Since August 8, when the FBI executed a court order on Donald Trump's exclusive hangout to recover records having a place with the U.S. government, there's been a constant flow of humiliating disclosures about the previous president's treatment of characterized reports. In the beyond 48 hours, we've seen Team Trump release a letter affirming that the National Archives haggled for a year to recover more than 700 pages of ordered records he was clinging to. An over-the-top movement molded object flung toward the government agenda. And a sharp censure from U.S. District Judge Aileen Cannon, a Trump deputy, requesting that Trump's legal counselors return and shape that item into a genuine movement and quit burning through her time. Recently, The Washington Post posted a point-by-point TikTok of the tormented stalemate among Trump, a portion of his own guides, who encouraged the arrival of reports, and the civil servants accused by the law of keeping up with and safeguarding official records. And it is goddamn wonderful. What isn't goddamn awesome, nonetheless, is being Trump's legal advisor. Which is the reason so many have generously declined the proposition, especially the people who have recently partaken in the honor and know precisely exact thing it involves. As nitty-gritty in the letter mysteriously distributed by Trump's mate Jonathan Solomon, who is as yet demanding that it's in some way a major gotcha that President Biden conceded to the Justice Department and didn't swan in to safeguard his ancestor, the archives and later the DOJ participated in extended discussions for the arrival of the public authority records Trump had reserved in an extra closet at Mar-a-Lago. Having recuperated arranged reports up to and including sensitive compartmented information and special access program materials, the archives then eluded the make a difference to the Justice Department. But since the Presidential Records Act gives a 30-day window to the earlier president to have a problem with divulgences of fixed official records, the archivist expected to get somebody to go through the reports for Trump. First they hit up the legal advisors who scooped Trump's poo in the White